Good evening, everyone. I invite Anusha ma'am to conduct the session.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. We'll start with the session. Uh, Dear children, first of all, we'll see few questions from coordinate systems and straight line. Okay. I will read the question and then we'll solve the question. Can you able to hear me, everyone?
Yes,
Children, can you
ma'am.
able to hear me? Yeah. Okay. First of all, take down the question. Given that P of 3 comma 1, Q of 6 comma 5, and R of x comma y are 3 points such that the angle PRQ is a right angle and the area of triangle RQP is 7. Find the number of such points R. They're asking us to find the point in R. Shall we starting?
Yes, ma'am. Please continue the session. Please continue.
Okay, sir. See here. Here they have given you P, Q, and R. So let us take a circle. On this circle, we are taking P and Q. They have already given you P of 3 comma 1. So let us take P of 3 comma 1. Here the P of 3 comma 1 will be. Uh, just a second, sir.
only.
Hello. Dear students, there is some technical issue. Please solve the question what I gave you. I'll read the question once again. The question is, given that P of 3 comma 1, Q of 6 comma 5 and R of x comma y are 3 points such that the angle PRQ is a right angle and the area of triangle RQP is 7. Find the number of such points R. Anyone got the answer? See, here is the question. Dear students, sir has shared the screen. This is the question. And meanwhile, they already gave you the diagram. Hello. Dear children, please check the answer is shown in the on the screen. Did you try it for the answer? Have you got the same answer? Dear children, there is some technical problem. Because of that, I can't teach you on the board. So meanwhile, please check your answer if you have got the same. I'm just trying to figure it out. We'll go with the next question if you have completed this. You have one more question on the screen. Please check it. If the coordinates of 2 points are 3, 4 and 5, -2 respectively, Find the coordinates of any point P if PA and PB, PA is equals to PB. Area of triangle PAB is 10 square units. I think you know the formula to solve this question. Isn't it? So here they already mentioned you PA is equals to PB, right? Here they already mentioned gave you PA is equals to PB. So square on both sides. अरे नल्ले नहीं So here question they gave you PA is equals to PB, right? So let us what we will do is here we will just take PA square is equals to PB square. That means we are squaring on both sides here. So PA square is nothing but P is nothing but x comma y. Let us take P as x comma y. Generally, we use it to take P as the point x comma y, right? So here PA square is equals to PB square is nothing but we need to uh, distance formula. We need to use the distance formula here. So let us take the value of A as 3 comma 4 and the value of B as they already gave you in the question, that is 5 comma minus 2. Now what we will do is here, we will find the distance between PA square is equals to PB square. Is there anyone who is doing it? Use the distance formula. Dear children, please use the distance formula. If you are using the distance formula, what you got the equation as? Can anyone please tell me? P value is x comma y. A value is 3 comma 4. So what is the distance formula here? PA square is equals to PB square we have taken. So that means x minus 3 whole square. Is it the formula? Plus y minus 4 whole square. This is nothing but your PA square, right? So what is PB square here? X minus x5. X minus 5 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Right? If you are solve this. X minus 3 whole square is nothing but a minus b whole square formula. It is nothing but x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 4 to the 8. 8y is equals to, next all this also what you will get? X square plus 25
The equation is 4x plus 3y plus 7, ma'am.
4x plus 3y
Plus 7.
plus 7. Please check your answer once again.
Ma'am, I got
Okay.
x minus 3y minus 1.
Yeah, x minus 3y minus 1 is the answer, ma. Please check your answer once again. Minus 10x So if you solve these two here on the LHS side x square and on the RHS side x square will get cancelled. In meanwhile, y square and y square will also get cancelled.
Yes, ma'am.
So at last you will get the answer as x minus 3y after getting x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0, they're asking us to find area of triangle PAB is 10 square centimeters. 10 square units, sorry. So what is the area of triangle formula? I think you have learned yesterday. So now find the area of triangle PAB. PAB is equals to 10 square units. Use the formula you have learned yesterday, that is area of triangle. One point is x comma y. And 3, 4, 5 comma minus 2. And the remaining will be 1, 1, 1. You have learned the formula. Do you remember?
Yes, mom.
Please use that. Here after solving, you got the answer as x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0, right? So now use the formula triangle PAB is equals to, they already gave you in the question, that is nothing but 10 square units, right? So now use the formula triangle PAB. The formula is nothing but half into modulus of x, y, and this one will be 1 according to the formula, right? And also they gave you the points, that is 3 comma 4 and 5 comma minus 2. So here it will be 3, 4, 1, 5 minus 2, 1. So by using this, this should be equal to what already they gave you in the question, that is 10, right? So if you solve this, you will get what you will get here. Here for 10, you need to take plus or minus. So if you can solve this, you will get two equations, that is plus 10 and the another one is minus 10.
Yes, mom.
So what are the equation? What is the equation you got?
6x plus 2y minus 26 equals to 20. Plus or minus 20.
Yeah. From that, you will get two equations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One is, if you can take the equation will be one. The equation what you got is 6x plus 2y minus 26 is equals to plus
Plus
or minus 20,
20.
right? You are taking this 2 to the RHS side. So 2 into 10 is nothing but 20. Now you need to take 6x plus 2y minus 26 is equals to plus 20. And 6x plus 2y minus 26 is equals to minus 20. There you will get two equations, right? What are the two
Yes,
equations you will get here?
6x plus 2y minus 6x plus 2y minus
6x.
46.
Oh, right. 6x plus 2y, very good. Minus 46 is equals to 0 is one equation. And the other one is 6x
plus 2y.
plus 2y minus 6 is equals to 0.
0.
Right? Can you able to take anything common in this equation?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
this equation and in this equation?
Yes, mom.
Yeah.
We can
In
cancel
the
it.
first equation, yeah,
Two.
you will take 2 as the common. In the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
equation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the second
Yes,
equation
ma'am.
also you can take 2 as the common. Right? After getting these two equations, you need to solve these equations, ma. This x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 and this equation. Let us take it as first equation. And this as second equation. And this as third equation. Solve 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So that you will get the answers. Coordinates you will get.
One second, can you say, ma'am? Act.
Here x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 is there. Hello. Hello. I can't hear you, ma. Someone is talking.
Ma'am, for first equation, I got x equals to 7 and y is equals to 2.
Just a second. X is equals to 7 and y is equals to 2. For the first two equations, if you solve, you will get this answer. And solve 1 and 3 also. Solve x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 23 is equals to 0. Right. So if you solve these two equations, you will get x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 2. Right. In the same way, for the next two equations, x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. If you can solve these two equations, what will be the answer, ma?
X is equals to 1, y is equals to 0, ma'am.
Right. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. These are the answers. That means the coordinates of P are. What are the coordinates of P here? We have taken it as x comma y. Right. So the coordinates of P, what we got is here 7 comma 2 are 1 comma 0. Right. Anything you can take. We have solved two equations. First and second and first and third. Right. So you can take any of the equations, that is any of the coordinate, that is x is equals to 7 and y equal to 2, or x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. Okay. Shall we go with the next question, ma'am?
Ma'am, once explain last step.
Okay. See here. Do you know how to solve the equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So here in the given question, what they gave you is here. They gave you x comma y. Let us take P of x comma y and A and B points they gave you, right? By using this, what we have taken, PA is equals to PB. Already they mentioned you in the question, right? So what we did is we squared on both sides, right? So you will get PA square is equals to PB square.
Yes, ma'am.
That is PA square is equals to PB square. After solving, you got the answer as here you have no. See, x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 is a first equation after solving PA square is equals to PB square, right? Till there we got the answer, and in the given question they gave you as triangle PAB is 10 square units. Triangle PAB we have to use this formula, half into xy1. That means this is the formula we have learned yesterday, I think, right? So A values are 3, 4, and 1 is common. The third row is common, right? So by next B is 5 minus 2, 1, right? After solving this one, you will get an equation like 6x plus 2y minus 26 is equals to plus or minus 20, right? After here we have two answers. On the right side we have plus or minus 20. That means you can take two equations here. 6x plus 2y minus 26 is equals to plus 20, and 6x plus 2y minus 26 is equals to minus 20. After solving, you will get 6x plus 2y minus 46 is equals to 0. 6x plus 2y minus 6 is equals to 0. You can take some 2 as common in both the equations. After that, you will get the equation as 3x plus y minus 23 is equals to 0. This is one equation. And 3x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is another equation. Okay. You need before that we have got PA square is equals to PP square. There we got one equation, right? That is nothing but x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. If you can solve these two equations, then you will get x is equals to 7, y equal to. In the same way, if you solve the first and third equation, that is x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0, 3x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0, you will get, if you solve these two equations, you will get x is equals to 1, y equals to 0. So the coordinates of, they're asking us to find the coordinates of P. So you can take either of the coordinate. That is x is equals to 7 and y equal to 2, or x is equals to 1, y equal to 0. Anything you can take. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain first question?
First question. Which one that is? Oh, this circle. Given that P of 3, 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a second. So here they already gave you this, right? In the given question only there was some diagram. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So the diagram they gave you as one circle, and here they gave you P point, that is nothing but 3, 1, and here they gave you
Q
Q
point.
point, that is 6, 5, and R is nothing but obviously R lies on the circle, right? So in the given question, what they're asking us to find area of triangle RQP. They're asking us to find area of triangle RQP. Sorry. Area of triangle they gave you 37. Find the number of such points or not. So they are asking us to find R point. Okay. So let us see the answer here. So first of all, find the distance between the points P and Q. First find the distance between the points P and Q. What is the distance between 2 points P and Q? What will be the formula?
Five, ma'am. 5 units.
Yeah,
Is
you will get the distance between the points PQ as 5 units. After
ma'am,
solving, right? So here,
what is M, ma'am?
I will tell you Ma. Just give me 1 second. Here, M is nothing but they're asking us to find some number of points, right? So let us take M as 1 point. Here, PQ is nothing but a straight line that lies on either side of the circle. So it is a what we call, it is nothing but diameter. Let us take diameter. So from R to M, we are taking one more point M that lies on line PQ. Okay. So we need to find the point M here. Okay. So here what we need to take is, we got the answer as PQ as 5 units, right? Now you need to find area of the triangle. They already mentioned your RQP is nothing but 7 units, right? So area of the triangle means what? What is the area of the triangle formula here?
Half.
Area of triangle, generally the formula is nothing but half into base into height, right? So let us take the height as RM. Got my point? Let us take the height as RM, and base is obviously nothing but, here it is nothing but PQ, right? So what is the formula here? Half into PQ into RM, right? They already gave you triangle PQR is also nothing but RQP, right? RQP is nothing but PQR. Both the triangles are same, right? So in the given question, they already gave you that is nothing but 7. Okay. So here, half into PQ value, what we got here? By using the distance formula, we got 5. So substitute in RQ, sorry, PQ in place of PQ. So RM is nothing but we need to find the value of RM. That is nothing but 7, right? So here 2 is in the denominator. If you transpose 2 to the RHS side, what will it will be? 5 into RM is equals to 7 into 2. Next, RM is equals to what? 7 2 is nothing but 14 by 5. So we got RM as 14 by 5. 14 by 5 is nothing but what will be the answer here? 5 2s are 10, 2.8. Right? So here the RM value cannot be greater than this 2.8. RM is nothing but it should not be greater than 2.8. So here RM we will take it as radius. So for a diameter, half into radius, diameter is nothing but half of the radius, right? Radius is nothing but half of the diameter, right? So we got RM as 2.8 centimeter. So hence there is no such triangle possible. RM should not be greater than 2.8 of this radius, and here the triangle is not possible. Okay. We have one more question, ma. If you please take down. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Having vertices A of 1, 1, B of 7, -3, C of 12, 2, and D of 7, 21. Which formula you need to use here? Do you know the formula? If they gave you 4 points, do you know the formula? No?
AB is
Oh,
equal
there
to
is the formula.
to C. AB
No, we
is
need to use all the 4 points at a time now. So
X1
triangle is equals to the formula is like this. Half into modulus of x1, y1,
X2 Y2
x2, y2, x3, y3, and again we will take, which
X1
one we will
Y1
take? Yes, x1, y1. So let us take a of 1 comma 1 as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, and substitute the points.
D8 పోతారండి అబ్బా చెప్పుకుంటాను అంజలి ఎందుకు పాడేర్రా
x4, y4 is also there here. Sorry, there is the formula x4, y4 also. And again, you need to continue with the x1, y1. Substitute 1 comma 1, 7 comma minus 3, 12 comma 2, 7 comma 21, and 1. Okay, students, please try to answer this question. The formula is like this. I will tell you the formula. x1, y2 minus x2, y1. You need to solve these two. And then x2, y3 plus x2, y3 minus x3, y1 plus x3, y4 minus x4, y3 plus x4, y1 minus x1, y4. So that you will get the answer. Okay. We'll stop the class here. Sorry for the inconvenience. Because of some technical issue, here it is like this. So I'll hand it over to the next session. Thank you.